Hi guys, Coach R here. Basta sports ang usapan, G tayo dyan. How can we save our athletes? Yan ang topic natin today. Obviously, this is in relation to the untimely demise of the UP player who passed away today in practice. No? Huwag natin sabihin yung mga names for privacy reasons. Not so long ago, yung NU lady player ganyan din, collapsed in practice. So bakit ba nangyari ito? Maraming factors. No? Some say it's the COVID vaccine, yung brand daw ng COVID vaccine. Pero hirap mag-conclude kasi wala pa naman talagang scientific studies about that. Ako, I'm a believer in prevention. Dalawang cases kasi yan, death and disability. For death, yun nga, sabi ko, I'm a believer in prevention. Meaning, stricter medical clearances for athletes dapat. A few days ago, nagpa-check up yung mami ko sa hospital. And I was surprised and also happy to see mga athletes, young athletes, high school siguro, lining up for ECG. So I think it's a requirement na now to get athletic clearances, yung ECG. Kasi dati, nung time namin, doctor clearances lang, physical check-up lang. Ngayon may mga tests na, which I think is correct because ang buhay ng athlete mahirap talaga. No? So, kung merong findings dyan, maliit man o malaki, dapat may gawin doon. No? Pwedeng ipatigil muna yung player sa paglalaro, magpagaling muna, or baka naman hindi talaga pa pwedeng maglaro yung player. Huwag na nating pilitin. Okay. Meron din kasi nagsasabi na baka masyadong mahirap yung training, no? Sa akin, again, personal opinion, I wouldn't put the liability sa school or sa coach or sa training program. Because as coaches, alam natin yan, we have to prepare our team for competition. And yung training, kaya mahirap yan, tayo naging athletes and coaches na rin tayo. Nung athlete tayo, alam natin kung gaano kahirap. Pag uwi, tulog na lang kasi talagang ang hirap ng training. No? Sakit sa katawan, pagod na pagod, gutom. No? Ganyan talaga ang training. And for me, hindi mo pwedeng i-lighten up yon because it mimics or prepares us for the competition. Kung i-lighten mo yung training, magiging ineffective yung training program. Thus, ma-affect yung performance ng team sa competition. And as athletes, ayaw naman natin matalo. Of course, we're in it to win, no? We're there to win. So, kung linighten up mo yung load ng training or pinadali mo, bali wala yun, no? Hindi maganda yon for both coaches, school, and player. No? So, wag natin sabihin, and let's not put the blame on the school or the coaches. No? Now, for disability, kasi sabi nga natin, there's the death situation and there's disability situation. Disability, example yan yung sila Samboy, no? Nag-basketball, tapos nag-collapse sa game din, no? Si paring Royds din, Cabrera. If you don't know Royder Cabrera, shooter yan ng Adamson during the early 2000 or 2010, mga ganyan, no? Si Royder, short story lang, pagkakampi mo, tuwan-tuwa kasi ang galing sumut. Pagkalaban mo, nakakainis kasi ang galing sumut. So, ganun lang yun. Pero magaling yan si Royder. No? Si Royder collapsed also during a game dun sa PBA 3-on-3, no? The inaugural season, 3-4 years ago. No? And until now, he's still recovering from the stroke. No? Sa akin, again, these are only my personal opinion and suggestions, dapat siguro magkaroon ng sports or athletes insurance, no? That the school will shoulder. No? So, pag cleared ka naman medically, the proper way for schools to protect their athletes is to have this insurance. No? Para kung mabaldado, iba yung balya, no? Mabaldado ka, ma-paralyze ka, or yan, parang sila Royder, ma-stroke or ma-heart attack, hindi ka na makalaro, and you need constant medical attention. It can provide for that in the future, parang mga pension. No? So, babayaran ka every month or babayaran ka lump sum, whatever, no? Pero may makukuha yung athlete, no? I think that's only fair because they sacrifice their life for the team, for the school, for the professional team. I think it's only fair na may ganong klaseng insurance. No? I'm not sure kung meron na yan, ha? Baka naman meron na. Baka tinatry na or baka meron na. I don't know. Pero maganda yon kasi maproprotect yung interest ng player. So those are only my points here, my 2 cents worth on how we can protect and save our athletes.